Okay, hello everyone. Another series in these Google SketchUp tutorials. Let me share my screen with you. Okay. So from the last video, we added the foundation around the perimeter of the building, and then we made it a group. Good. It's a group like this. Okay, good. So let's get outside the group. So now with this video, we're going to start to add the actual cabinetry, starting with the base cabinets from the warehouse. Okay. Let me stop sharing here for a second. Okay. All right, so by this time, you should have watched the following videos, okay? Here I am at Google SketchUp tutorials, weeks 15 through 11 through 15, that is, okay? And you should have watched the SketchUp modified tools video, which includes offset, how to use the move and copy tool, how to use the rotate tool, that is, how to use the scale tool, and what dynamic components are. Okay, we're going to be using those shortly. Okay, and how to actually download models from the 3D warehouse. So you should have watched all of those videos by this point. Okay, so now here we are back in my model. Okay. Again, okay, this is the group, but we want to be outside the group, right? Because we talked about if I wanted to edit something within the group, I would have to right click here and go edit group, okay? But we want to be outside the group when we start to add our base cabinets, okay? Okay, so we want to go to the warehouse, right here, warehouse. Good. We can expand this. Good. I've already done it, but I'll do it again for your purposes. So what you want to do is type in craft made. Okay. Base cabinets. That's where we're going to start. Good. Good. Make sure that you are not in products, but in models. Okay. Okay. So if it's products, it's going to be empty. So you have to go to models. Okay. Okay. So now your initial task is to kind of like browse through the options given to you. And what you're just looking for right now, you're looking for a color and style of cabinetry that you want to use. Color and style, okay? So you're gonna browse. You're gonna browse through, okay? Lots of options in terms of colors and style, okay, good. So I'm just gonna choose one for, okay, I'm just gonna choose one. Okay. Okay, let me stop sharing with this, okay? Okay, good. And I want to share my board with you. Okay, so you're going to be using of course, your enlarged kitchen plan, okay? All right, so I'm just using the sample drawing, okay? Enlarged kitchen plan. So I'm going to start in this corner, and that's where you're going to start. You're going to start in a corner, okay? And I see as a base cabinet in this corner, I have this easy reach 36, okay? So that's where I'm going to start. So that's what I'm going to download first, okay? So now I want to go back to the warehouse. Good, you can see my screen. So I'm just going to choose this easy reach right here, okay? So I'm going to select it, and then it says, I'm going to select the download. And it's asking me, do you want to download it directly into my SketchUp model? I'm going to say yes. Oh, again, initially, when you go to download, you're going to have, this is where you're going to have to create that Trimble account, but it's easy, okay? Okay. So you will have to create that before you can download anything. Okay, so I'm going to say yes. Good. So I'm starting in this corner right here. So I'm zooming in here. Good. Cool. All right. I'm starting in the corner with that easy reach. Okay, so I need to rotate this around though. Let me see. Okay, so I choose to rotate. Okay, good. Okay, I'm here. Then I click again here. Okay, and I just want to rotate it this way. Keep it on axis. See that? And okay, make sure it was on, didn't move. All right. All right. So now my next task, okay. I think this is the right one that I need, okay. But let's check out the properties, okay. Let's escape out of there, okay, or select. So I want to select the actual component, and I want to right click because it is dynamic, and I want to go to dynamic components, okay. And then I want to go to component options, okay. This is pretty cool because what I have is an easy R36, okay. So, and then what I want to record also, I want to record that the style of the craft made base cabinetry that I'm using, and it's putting them right here, putting them. So I want to record that. I'm using the putting them style, okay. Good. But I need, I can move this up. Yeah. I need a easy reach 36, okay? So see if I have any more options down here. Good. And it's an easy 36, and then I can get it, I can choose 36, and I can get it hinged to the left or hinged to the right. So it doesn't matter. Yeah, it does matter, but I'm gonna choose right. Okay. All right. So I choose right. And then did I choose the right side? Yep, 36. So I'm gonna move this out of the way. Okay, move this out of the way. Okay, so then I'm gonna apply that. Do you see how I change the size? So that's the power of using dynamic components. Okay, you have options whereas you can actually change the size and other options as well. But we're just concerned about the size because mine should be 36 according to my enlarged plan. All right, so I want to take that and I want to move it against the wall here. So let's see if I can move it. Okay, I select the move command here. I want to get down here and I want to move that against the wall there. Good, and then I want to orbit around here like this. Okay. How's that looking? I think that's right. Let's see. Nope, my rotation is off. Okay, good. So here's what I want to do. Okay, I'm going to delete this because it's easier to delete it and put it back. Okay, so let's go back to the warehouse. Okay. So I'm not going to fuss with trying to. Okay, so now see what I can do. I can filter out my search. I can go craft made, okay, Putnam, or Putnam, or whatever, however you pronounce that. Okay, base cabinet, so I can narrow in my filter. Good. Okay, now let's see if I can find the easy reach that I used before. Yep, there it is. Okay, so I'm gonna download it. Yes. Cool. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change the size of it. So I'm gonna right click, go to dynamic input. Okay. I want to change it to 36R. Apply that. Good. So now, the problem was when I rotated it, I didn't rotate it on axis. So let's try that again. Rotate, come over here. Good. On axis. That is on axis. Okay, so now I can rotate it around. Let's get it on axis. On axis, that's cool. All right, so now that it's rotated on axis, I should be able to move it now. Okay, it needs to be against the wall there. Then I want to come over here. Okay, I'm already in move, so I want to move it against the wall there. Okay, and I want to make sure that it's on the floor. Okay, so I could actually orbit to the bottom. Okay, let's do zoom extents. Okay, I just want to make sure that it's actually sitting on the floor. Zoom in here. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, good. All right. So now, what's my next cabinet? My next cabinet is a standard B40. It says B42, but that's not a B40. Okay, all right. So, but that's how you're going to start to actually install the base cabinets. Okay, and use the dynamic options to change the size if need be. Okay, so I want to go back to the warehouse. And I'm just going to choose. Okay, I'm in Putnam again. I'm still in Putnam, so I'm going to look for another just a standard base cabinet that I want to use. Okay, it's a sink base standard base cabinet. Okay. That's a sink base. Okay, that's a blind right there. I don't want that. Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah. Okay, here's a double base. I'm going to install this one. Okay. Yes. Okay, it has a different color. So I'm going to control Z out of that. Let's see if I can find another. Okay, the vanity bases, they are for bathrooms. So whenever you see vanity, it's not for a kitchen, it's for a bathroom. Okay. Okay, that's a sink base, vanity base. These are all vanities. Okay, I'm gonna try this double again. I'm just gonna download it because I can always go back and change that color. Okay, but I just want to give you the gist of it. Okay, I can go back and change the color to make it match. Okay, right now I'm just showing you how you're gonna do it. Okay, good. So I'm gonna install this one. I need to rotate it. Good. On axis there. Good. Rotate it around this way. It needs to be on axis. There it is. Oops. Let's control Z out of that because at the last minute. Okay. Just want to get it on axis initially. There it is on axis. Okay, rotate it again. On axis, there we go. All right, so now I can just take that and I can move it. I want to move it from zooming in a little bit, move from that corner right there. And I want to bring it over here. Yeah. And I'll just put it right here for right now. I'm gonna put it in this corner for right now. Actually, I'll just put it there. Good. And then I'm just gonna move it here. Move it from this point here. Okay. And I'm gonna zoom extent. And I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna put it right there. So you see how I zoom in, okay? Well, I'll change the color later, okay? Cool, all right. So that's essentially how you're gonna add all of these cabinets, right? Cool.